Yeah, I can keep going. द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहित येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां मा भेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत्
या ते रुद्र शिवा तनुः शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृड जीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रवरामहे मतिम्
यथा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृतिक्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदस्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ
मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वदीः पितरं मोतमातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः
प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः
प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषुमानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः
वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यता च नः शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्त सदयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रम्
मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मिन्निव पन्तु तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मिन्निव पन्तु सेनाः
अस्मन् not अस्मिन् अस्मन्निव
अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव पन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परिद्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायो
अवस्थिरामघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तो स्तोकायतनयाय मृडया. Wait, I had this last time. Should I keep going? I think I had the same lines last time.
Last time you read the last line. This time you read the first line.
Oh, okay.
Just do one more line, Sunita will finish it.
Okay. Meedhushtama shivatama shivo nasumana bhava.
Parame vriksha ayudan nidaya kruttim vasana acharapina kambibradagahi vikirida vilohita namaste astu bhagavaha yaste sahasragum hetayonyamasmanniva pantutaha.
So Mano Mahantamutamano Arbhakam Mana. You remember that, right? Mano means Do not hurt our elders. Mahantam. Do not arbakam the child. Ma. Do not. Ukshantam the young persons. Let there be Ririshaha. Do not hurt them. It's a prayer, right? Final prayer we are doing. Our dear bodies. Priyamanas tanuvo rudraririshaha. Here mano, all that is mano mahantam, mano arbakam. Ma means here, what is ma? Not, right? Ma is many other meaning. Here ma means not. In asatoma sadgamaya, what is ma means not? What does it mean there? Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya. Don't take me from sat to asat. Is it there? That means no. Here, take me. Lead me. There me. Ma means me there. Here ma means not. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. There ma means what? Let no one, ma, not. There ma means not. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Let no one come to suffer. Dukkham. Let no one have dukkham bhag bhavet. Here ma means not, same. But in asatoma, me. Right? The difference you have to know. Let's go to it. We finished. We have to do Agnischame, right? Ninth one, right? So same thing. More. This is also called asking for more instruments for yajna, just like the previous one. This is also called ayudha anuvaka. Ayudha means here instruments, right? Different type of facilities, instruments. We're asking to conduct our yajna activities. Earlier we asked for different types of vessels, right? Agnischa me. Okay. Agnischa me, dharmascha me.
I think we got to start one before.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I think we stopped at 7.
We did the vessels, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, idmascha me. Idmascha me. That, yes, true, correct. We didn't do that. No. Idmascha me, barhischa me. Pravina ji, can't it do it? Idmascha me, barhischa me.
Oh, yes, I found it. Sorry.
Eighth one.
Yeah, found it. Igmascha me, barhischa me. Igmascha me, barhischa me.
Idmascha me, barhischa me.
Igmascha me, barhischa me. Igmascha me, barhischa me.
Vedischa me.
Vedischa me. Vedischa me.
Tishniyascha me.
Dishniyascha me. Dishniyascha me.
Vedischa me. Dishniyascha me.
Vedischa me. Dishniyascha me. Vedischa me. Dishniyascha me.
Idmascha me, barhischa me. Vedischa me. Dishniyascha me.
Igmascha me. Igmascha me.
बर्हिश्च बर्हिश्च मे
इग्मश्च मे बर्हिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे
वेदिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे
वेदिश्च मे दिष्णियाश्च मे इग्मश्च मे बर्हिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे तिग्नियाश्च मे
दिष्णियाश्च मे
Should I do one more time?
हाँ
इग्मश्च मे बर्हिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे दिष्णियाश्च मे
श्रुचश्च मे
शुचश्च मे
श्रुचश्च मे
श्रुचश्च मे शुचश्च मे
शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे
शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे
ग्रवाणश्च मे
ग्रावाणश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे
शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रवाणश्च मे
शुचश्च मे शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे
शुचश्च मे
शुचश्च मे शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे
परवश्चम
स्वरवश्चम स्वरवश्चम
परवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे
स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे
उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे
उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे
स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे
चमसाश्च स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे
just do that स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे
स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे स्वरवश्चम उपरवाश्च मे धिषवणे च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे
पूतभृच्छम
पूतभृच्छम पूतभृच्छम
पूतभृच्छम आधवनीयश्च म
पूतभृच्छम आधवनीयश्च म पूतभृच्छम आधवनीयश्च म
आग्नेयीद्रञ्च मे
आग्नेयीद्रञ्च मे आग्नेयीद्रञ्च मे
आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीद्रञ्च द्रञ्च मे
आदवनीयश्च म आग्नीद्रञ्च मे आदवनीयश्च म आग्नीद्रञ्च मे
पूतभृच्चम आधवनीयश्च म आग्नीद्रञ्च मे
पूतभृच्छ म आदवनीयश्च म आग्रीद्रञ्च
आग्नीद्रञ्च मे
आग्नीद्रञ्च मे पूतभृच्छ म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नीद्रञ्च मे
हविर्धानञ्च मे
हविर्धानञ्च मे हविर्धानञ्च मे
हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे
हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे
हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे
हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे
सदश्च मे
सदश्च मे सदश्च मे
सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे
सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे
पचताश्च मे
पचताश्च मे पचताश्च मे
पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे
पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे
पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे
पचताश्च मे पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृक्षम आधवणीयश्च म आग्नेयेऽध्रञ्च मे हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे
द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि
वायव्यानि च मे
वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्छम आधवनीयश्च म आग्नीद्रञ्च मे हविर्धानञ्च मे गृहश्च मे सदश्च मे
गृहाश्च मे
गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे
पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे
पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे पचताश्च मेव भृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे
स्वगाकारश्च मे
स्वगाकारश्च मे
Individual, do it whole thing.
इद्मश्च मे बर्हिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे दिष्णियाश्च मे शुचश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे स्वरवश्च म उपरवाश्च मे धिषणवे च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्छ म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीध्रं च मे हविर्धानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे.
Sruchascha me, right? You got that? Idmascha me barhischa me vedischa me dishniyascha me sruchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me svaravascha ma uparavascha me dhishavane cha me द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्छ म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीद्रं च मे हविर्दानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे. Sunita.
Chandraji, in the book it says Havirdanan Cheme. Is it Havirdanan Chame or Havirdanan Cheme? In the book it says Che instead of.
Which book?
In the Vedic chants only, Chandraji. Havirdanan Cheme. So do we say Chame or Cheme?
Yeah, this book says Che. I just noticed that.
Yeah, in others I think it is Cha.
Yeah, Che is it's a printing mistake because it is always Cha, right? And Che would be it's a different meaning altogether. Good catch though. I was looking at Mantra Pushpam actually for this one. Usually I look into this, I would have caught, but okay, good. Sunita,
Idmascha me barhischa me vedischa me dishniyascha me sruchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me svaravascha ma uparavascha me dishavane cha me द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्छ म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीध्रं च मे हविर्दानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे.
Krishnan.
Idmascha me barhischa me vedischa me dishniyascha me sruchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me swaravascha ma uparavascha me dishavane cha me द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्छ म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीध्रं च मे हविर्दानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च Vabhrutascha me swagakarascha me.
Pachatascha me vabhrutascha me svagakarascha me.
Pachatascha me vabhrutascha me swagakarascha me.
Pachatascha me, it is, if it is split it, avabhrutascha me svagakarascha me. Avabhrutam, avabhruta snanam we say, right? After the yagnas they do the purificatory bath. Avabhruta snanam. You know, you heard that? Avabhrutam? Yeah?
No, no. Avabhrutam means
In my childhood only, I think somehow this word was a unique thing that stuck in my mind. He did Avabhradasnanam and all that. So like, it was a bath after the yajna, right?
Right. So they do the ceremonial bath after the yajna, right? It's a common name. Telugu also they use it.
So Avabhradam means, did you say purification?
The bath after the yajnas are done. Yeah, they take the bath. A ceremonial bath, we say. Avabhruta snanam, they call it. So this is asking again for certain idmaschame means the fuel for the yajna.
Is it an indirect way of asking that you have to do yajna?
Yeah.
You can do Avabhradasnanam only when you do Avabhradam, right?
It must fuel. Barhi means barhischame, darba, grass. Fuel sticks, dry wood sticks is idma. Vedhi means a platform for doing the yajna. Vedi, we call it, right? Vedischame. Dishniyaschame is also another maybe type of platform. All those things we are asking again. Chamasaschame, maybe that wooden ladles. Uparavas means certain pits for the yajna. Drona kalashashame, another way. Drona means a vessel in shape of a mango leaf or certain. Agni dranchame. Agni dranchame, to light that fire, right? Sacrificial fire, the place to serve. Agni dranchame. Havirdhan, havis, gruhaschame, certain places where the yajna kartas and the family of the yajamans stay there. Gruhaschame. Same thing as previous one. So basically asking for everything so that we can do our yajna properly. Our life itself is a kind of a yajna. Finally, it has to culminate in jnanam. Because all these are dravya yajnas, maybe. Dravya yajna, Krishna says, right, in 4th chapter, Shriyan dravyamayat yagnat jnana yajna parantapa. Better than all these is jnana yajna. He finally says. Because sarvam karma kilam partha jnane parisamapyate. Everything culminating in jnanam only. Finally, it is for qualification for jnanam. We are getting all this. Okay. So, in the jnana yajna, what we do? We do inquiry, right? We do the even during the lighting the lamp, we chant a shloka, right? Sometimes you don't.
Shubham Karati.
Shubham Karoti is fine. Shubham Karoti Kalyan. That's true. There's another one. Atmanam aranim krutva pranavam chottaranim jnana nirmatanabhyasat deepam prajwalayamyam. That also chanted. Arani. So this ego, this jiva, the lower self, Atmanam, is a Arani. When they in the yajnas, how you know how they make the fire? They don't put a matchstick. Usually, sometimes here we see people doing, but they traditionally, you know how they do, how they create fire. It's called Arani Mathanam. They call Arani Mathanam. So there is a wooden piece, a lower wood, and then there is an upper wooden piece, right? And the lower wooden piece has a scoop in it, and then the upper wooden piece is put in that, and then there is a, just like how they do mathanam of buttermilk, there's a rope, and then they use friction to create fire. And then that fire, when it immediately they catch it with cotton, and then in the yajna kunda, they put it. That's how they generate fire actually. It's called mathanam. Arani mathanam. Arani. The lower Arani, upper Arani. Isn't it? So here also in Jnana Yajnam, what is the lower Arani?
Manas and Buddhi.
Yeah. So Manas, Buddhi, fine. Atmanam Aranim Krutva Pranavam cha Uttar Aranim. Pranavam is Om. You can use Om or Vedanta is also fine. Mahavakyam is also the upper Arani. So with that, we do Mathanam, we do inquiry. Right? And then that fire is created from this inquiry. That heat, little bit of heat is created. Then immediately you catch hold of it. Because it is the heat, the fire created is not that much. So you catch it properly, and then you fan it with more Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasana. There is Jnana Yajnam that we have to aim for. Finally, everything has to culminate in Jnanam. Okay, fine. Ashish, do it. Idmaschame.
Idmascha me barhischa me vedischa me dhishniyascha me shuchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me svaravascha ma uparavascha me dishavane cha me dronakalasascha me Vayavyani cha me puta brichama adhavaniyashchama Agni cha me havidhanan me rahascha me sadascha me purodashascha me pachatascha me vabhritascha me
Pachatascha me vabhritascha me.
Pachatascha me vabhritascha me. Pachatascha me vabhritascha me. Svagakarascha me.
After meva bhritascha me, swa is a samyukta, so that holding can be there. Pachatascha me vabhritascha me svagakarascha me. Okay. Okay, that shloka I said is for lighting the lamp. Also, another variation is there, just for information. I forgot. That variation is in Kaivalya Upanishad. Kaivalya Upanishad. If you are returning, you must have read it, right? Okay. Atmanam Aranim Krutva Pranavam Chottaranim Jnana Nirmatanabhyasat Pasham Dahati Pandita. Pasham means all this bondage. This karma itself is a pasham. They say. All this punyam also is a pasham. So you think, oh, by Rudram you are getting punya. You don't go, somebody is doing Maharudram. You don't say, why are you doing all this pop? In Vedanta, that also in a way. You don't tell them, why are you doing all this pop? Don't say that. Punyam also, in a way, binds us. But that is good, maybe, to extract us from this bondage. It is good in a way. Okay.
Could you repeat that? I didn't quite catch that.
That's good. You didn't catch it.
There's something that I shouldn't be doing.
Pasham dahati panditaha, when I'm saying pasham means any bondage. Karma is a bondage. So, right? So this Arani, this inquiry into the Shastra, Mahavakya Vichara, Shastra Vichara, destroys this bondage, this karma bondage. Pasham dahati pandita, for these wise people who do this inquiry. Right? So, when you say this pasham, all type of karmas, not only papa karma, right? We say papam, all karmas are burnt in the fire of knowledge. Jnanagni, this Jnanagni, the fire of knowledge, Dagdha karmani, burns all the karmas. We say karmas means not everything, not only papa karmas, punya karmas also. Only when that is burnt, there is no cycle of births and deaths. So, in a way, if you think punya karmas are good, that's fine. You can start with that. But then that is also a golden chain in a way. So that also need to be burnt. Okay. But burnt in the sense figuratively. Just a figurative burn. In yajna, we take all the wooden pieces, all even sandalwood also we take. It is a good, sandalwood is good, right? And then we take other pieces of wood, we totally combine and then put it into the fire. It is burnt, right? In a way, in that way, everything, Jnanam burns away all the agami papam, agami karmas, sanchita. Of course, prarabdham, of course, you have to deal with it with your Jnanam. Right? Prarabdham is already started in a way that will not affect, because of the Jnanam, it will not affect a Jnani too much. Right? Okay. Who has to? If it is boring, Shanti, do it.
It is never boring. Only thing is missing is practice.
Right.
It's not boring at all. No.
Yeah, it is not boring. It is just confusing. That's all. They are not saying that, but I'm saying.
Idvascha me barhishcha me vedishcha me dishniyascha me shruchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me swaravascha ma uparavascha me dishavane cha me dronakala
Uparavascha me dhishavane cha me.
Uparavascha me dishavane cha me. Uparavascha me dishavane cha me drona kalashascha me vayavyani cha me puta britchama adhavaniyascha Agni idrancha me havirtanancha me gruhascha me sadascha me purodashascha me pachatascha me vabrutascha me.
Don't split it. पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे
पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे
स्वगाकारश्च मे
स्वगाकारश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे.
Ravina ji did, Mamadi ji?
I did not do
Ah,
Chandraji.
good.
Idmascha me barhischa me vedischa me dishniyascha me sruchascha me chamasascha me gravanascha me svaravascha ma uparavascha me dishavarnecha me द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतभृच्च म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीद्रञ्च मे हविर्दानञ्च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे.
So all these, some of them are vessels. Vayavyani cha me, or made of mud vessels. Used to, as earlier we have seen it, soma juice. That soma juice is stored in that for the yajna. For the other yajnas, the dravya yajna, right? In 4th chapter, Krishna mentions all types of yajnas, different types of yajnas, just to compare with Gnana Yajna. And then finally he says Gnana Yajna is the best. Like, Shreyam Dravyamayat Yajna, Gnana Yajna Parantava. Finally he says Gnanagni Sarvakarmani Bhasmasat Kurute Tatha. He said Gnanagni burns all karmas. All karmas. Okay. All everybody did? Yeah. Agnischa me garbhascha me. Pravina ji do it. Can't it? Agnischa me gharmascha me.
अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च
Ah,
मे.
not dharma. It is da is there. Gha, right?
Yeah, धर्मश्च.
Ah.
अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे.
These other say different types of fires we are talking about. Different types of yajna fires. Agni fire, karmaha, yajna before the actual yajnas, preparatory yajna maybe. Arka is another yaga. All different types of names for yagas, yajnas. Agnischa me, garmascha me, arkascha me.
अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे
Agnischa me, garmascha me, arkascha me.
अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे.
Suryascha me, pranascha me.
सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे
Agnischa me, garmascha me, arkascha me, suryascha me, pranascha me.
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे.
Suryascha me, pranascha me, shvamedhascha me.
सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे
प्राणश्च मे श्वमेधश्च मे
सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे श्वमेधश्च मे
अग्निश्च मे धर्मश्च अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे धितिश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे
पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे
दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे
दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे
द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे श्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे कर्मश्च मे
no
I'm sorry.
अर्कः it is अर्क घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृक्ष मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्च मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे साम च मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे साम च मे
कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे साम च मे
कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे साम च मे
मृच्छ मे
मृच्छ मे
मृच्छ मृच्छ मे
मृच्छ मे मृच्छ मे
Mrukcha means rik, the rik mantras are kalpantam mrukcha me samacha me
कल्पन्तामृच्छ मे साम च मे
samacha me
साम च मे साम च मे
samacha me stomascha me
साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे
yajuscha me
यजुश्च मे यजुश्च मे
yajuscha me diksha cha me
यजुश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे
diksha cha me tapascha ma
दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म
tapascha marutuscha me
तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे
yajuscha me diksha cha me tapascha marutuscha me
यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे
diksha cha me tapascha marutuscha me vratancha me
दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे
vratancha me vratancha me
दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे
vratancha me horatrayo vristya
व्रतं च मे हो रात्रयो वृष्ट्या व्रतं च मे हो रात्रयो वृष्ट्या
me horatrayorvristya
मे हो रात्रयो वृष्ट्या
ratrayorvristya
रात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या
vristya
रात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या
vrishta vristya
वृष्ट्या
yeah
वृष्ट्या
Only Vru has to go down. Stya is normal again.
vristya
वृष्ट्या वृष्ट्या
that shanmukasha vristya
वृष्ट्या
vratancha me horatrayorvristya
व्रतं च मे हो रात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या
बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे
बृहद्रथन्तरे च मे बृहद्रथन्तरे च मे
बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम् बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
तपश्च मरुतश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
तपश्च मरुतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे तपश्च ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे
Don't split that. व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या
व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
Ashish, do it.
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्ताम् वृक्ष मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्ताम् वृक्ष मे
यज्ञेन कल्पन्ताम् वृक्ष मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च मरुतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
Krishnan, do it.
I'm sorry, Chandraji, I have to leave.
Okay, Hari Om. See.
Thank you. Yeah.
Krishnan.
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्च मे काम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
In the world.
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दिशिश्च मे दितिश्च
पृथिवी च मे
दितिश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे जौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्ताम् वृक्ष मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च मरुतुश्च मे व्रतञ्च मे होरात्रयोर् वृष्ट्या बृहद्रथन्तरी च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्।
बृहद्रतं तरे च मे
बृहद्रथन्तरी च मे
तन्तरे बृहद्र तन्तरे.
It is normal. It is not normal tha, right? It is
Tha,
dha
tha.
potlo.
Yeah, tha.
Yeah, Bruhadradhan tha, da is tha is
Tantare.
Bruhadradhan tari cha me.
Re, not re. Tantare.
Bruhadradhan tare cha me. Vratancha me ho ratrayor vrushtya bruhadradhan tare cha me yajnena kalpetam.
So Bruhadra Tantare means Bruhad, those two mantras in from Sama. Bruhad Sama, Radhantaras. It is Radhantara if you split it. Bruhad and Radhantara. That is mantra, Sama mantras. Bruhad. Bruhad Sama. You remember in Vibhuti Yoga?
A kind of
chapter. Bruhad Sama Tata. In Vibhuti, one of Krishna says that is one of my Vibhutis. Says Bruhad Sama. So this is Bruhad Sama, Radhantara Sama. Bruhad Sama Tata Samnam Gayatri Chandasamaham Masanam Margashirshoham Rutunam Kusumakaraha. There is in Vibhutis, Krishna enumerates in 10th chapter. He says that is one of my Vibhuti, my glory. Masanam Margashirshoham, you know. Of all the months I am Margashirsha, he says. In that same verse. Bruhat Sama Tata Samna. So that is one of the Sama mantras. Bruhat Sama.
So where is it is Bruhadrathanthari.
Bruhat Sama Radhantara Sama. Radhantara. Bruhat and Radhantara. So that Sama mantra. Pravinaji.
Chandraji, one question. Here, Ditischa me, Dyauscha me. Dyau is the Samyukta Aksharam?
Shakuri Rangulayo. Okay, wait.
Yeah, before that. Yeah, Shakkari Rang. Before that,
yeah.
Dyauscha me. So, Dyau is Samyukta Aksharam, right?
Correct.
Okay. So, me should fall with me.
Yeah.
Yes.
In that Bruhad Rathantare, the cha is Anudata, right? I mean, cha is Swarita?
Swarita, yeah. Bruhadratantare cha me, yeah. Swarita only.
Yeah,
after
Shanti Garu. Yeah, we have Anudata, that one.
Anudata.
We need to correct.
In Telugu, it's Anudata? It's correct, yeah.
In their Vijnanam website, it is Anudata.
So people do a lot of mistakes. That's okay. I think he's chanting it, but all offer it to Paramatma. He will take care of it. That's okay. But knowingly don't make a mistake. If you know, correct it. That's good.
You are sure about that one, right? Because we are banking on his grace, even for making mistakes.
Do it, Pravinaji.
Agnischa me, Garmascha me, Irkascha me, Suryascha me.
Start again.
Agnischa me,
Agnischa me, Garmascha me, Irkascha me.
Agnischa me, Garmascha me, Irkascha me. Agnischa me, Garmascha me, Irkascha me. Suryascha me, Pranascha me,
That
Shva
me, after Suryascha me, it should not go down. Suryascha me, Pranascha me.
सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मेधितश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो
शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां ऋक्ष मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च ऋतुश्च मे वृतञ्च मे
व्रतञ्च
व्रतञ्च ऋतुश्च मे व्रतञ्च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
यज्ञेन कल्पेताम् यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां ऋक्ष मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च ऋतुश्च मे व्रतञ्च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्.
7:55. Okay. I thought we'll do the next one also today because these are the shortest ones, right? Of all, two of them are very short. It's okay. Everybody chanted? All of us chanted, right?
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't, Shantaji?
I was like,
Shantaji did.
hiding my face.
Do it. Do it.
Okay.
You're hoping it'll be 8 o'clock by then.
Yes. अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मेऽर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मेऽश्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां ऋक्ष मे साम च मे स्तोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च ऋतुश्च मे व्रतञ्च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्.
Do the last one again. Rutuscha me, from Rutuscha me.
ऋतुश्च मे व्रतञ्च मे होरात्रयोर्वृष्ट्या बृहद्रतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम्.
So all this be granted to me. Kalpetam yajnena, along with the sacrifice, with the yajna attitude for doing yajna, or along with the yajna also. We'll see the meaning of it all. Shakvari Rangulayo, that is Shakvari Angula means fingers, as though the Virat Purusha's fingers are extending everywhere in the The Virat Purusha Upasana, Virat Upasana, I think. Shekwarir Angulam, fingers. This is Chame, different directions, quarters. Yagnena Kalpantam, may it be granted to me along with the Yagna. Yagnena Kalpantam. Rukchame, Samachame, Stomaschame, Jejuschame, Diksha, the Vratam, Diksha, Tapa, Tapas, the seasons in time, Vratam, austerity, Ahoratrayo, the rains in day and night, Prustya, Brihatrantarechame, Vignena Kalpeda.
Kalpeta and Kalpanta, what does that mean, that word?
May it be, may it happen, may it be granted to us. Kalpeta. Okay. That Kalpeta here should be applied to everything actually. All the other, you can add that to all the other anuvakas that we did. Kalpeta, Yagnena Kalpeta.
And kalpantam means
Same thing,
this
same meaning.
same thing.
Kalpeta. May it be granted to me.
Hariam Chandrasekhar, I'm glad to leave.
Hurry.
Hariam.
We'll finish it anyway. Yeah. Oh. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhavet. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat. This Sunday we have that another Tattva Bodha Yajna by one of our chick Aparna. So if you have time, 9 to 9:45 Sunday. Just letting you know in advance. I will send you the invite.
Okay, thank you.
In the way you can stay. Okay, Hari Om.
Hariam, thanks.
Thank you, Chandraji.
Hari Om
Thank
Chandra.
you.